What if a virus could permanently insert its genetic material into your own DNA? This extraordinary ability is what makes the Retroviridae family one of the most unique groups of viruses in biology. The family Retroviridae contains some of the most scientifically fascinating viruses ever discovered. Unlike most viruses, retroviruses do not simply enter a cell, replicate, and leave. Instead, they permanently integrate their genetic information into the genome of the host cell. This unusual strategy allows retroviruses to establish long-term infections and makes them fundamentally different from many other viral families. Retroviruses are enveloped viruses with a positive-sense single-stranded RNA genome. The most famous member of this family is human immunodeficiency virus, or HIV. HIV is responsible for one of the most significant global pandemics in modern medical history. The defining feature of all retroviruses is the enzyme reverse transcriptase. Most living organisms follow the biological pathway known as the central dogma, where DNA is used to produce RNA, and RNA is used to produce proteins. Retroviruses completely reverse this process. After entering a host cell, they use reverse transcriptase to convert their RNA genome into DNA. This newly created viral DNA is then transported into the cell nucleus. There, another viral enzyme called integrase inserts the viral DNA directly into the host genome. Once integrated, the viral DNA becomes part of the infected cell's genetic material. From that point forward, the host cell can unknowingly produce new viral particles. This integrated viral DNA is known as a provirus. The proviral state is one reason retroviral infections can be extremely difficult to eliminate completely. Within the Retroviridae family, HIV belongs to the genus Lentivirus. Lentiviruses are characterized by slow disease progression and the ability to establish lifelong infection. HIV primarily targets CD4-positive T lymphocytes, macrophages, and dendritic cells. These cells play critical roles in immune defense. As HIV gradually destroys CD4 T cells, the immune system becomes increasingly weakened. Without treatment, this process can eventually lead to acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, or AIDS. Individuals with AIDS become highly vulnerable to opportunistic infections and certain cancers. These would normally be controlled by a healthy immune system. Transmission of HIV occurs through blood exposure, sexual contact, contaminated needles, and mother-to-child transmission during pregnancy, childbirth, or breastfeeding. Unlike respiratory viruses, HIV does not spread through coughing, sneezing, food, water, or casual social contact. One of the most remarkable achievements in modern medicine has been the development of antiretroviral therapy. These medications target different stages of the viral life cycle, including reverse transcription and integration. When used consistently, antiretroviral therapy can suppress viral replication to extremely low levels. This allows many individuals to live long and healthy lives. Retroviruses are also important beyond human disease. Scientists have used retroviral biology to better understand genetics, cancer development, and gene therapy. In fact, modified retroviruses are commonly used as tools for delivering therapeutic genes into cells. Another fascinating aspect of retroviral evolution is that ancient retroviral infections have left traces within the human genome. A significant portion of human DNA contains remnants of retroviruses that infected our ancestors millions of years ago. These sequences, known as endogenous retroviruses, provide evidence of ancient interactions between viruses and humans throughout evolutionary history. Currently, no licensed preventive HIV vaccine exists despite decades of research. However, prevention strategies such as PrEP and early treatment have dramatically reduced transmission. The Retroviridae family transformed our understanding of biology by revealing that genetic information can flow from RNA back into DNA. Through viruses like HIV, retroviruses continue to influence medicine, genetics, evolution, and the future of biotechnology.